Welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about JotForm, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you get the QR code for your JotForm? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. Why would you need a QR code to your JotForm anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe being a live streamer, it's important to have the QR code version. That way your viewers can easily scan the QR code and it brings them directly into your JotForm. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your JotForm account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my JotForm and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to get the QR code to one of your JotForms, first you're going to click on all forms here on the left. Once you click there, you'll see all of the JotForms you have. You can see I just have these two. Now there's actually two different ways that you can get the QR code. The first and easiest way is you just hover over the JotForm and then you'll see these three buttons on the right. Click on more. Once you click on more, you're going to see a lot of options, but click right here on publish form. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see the URL link to your JotForm. If you look towards the bottom left, you're going to see the QR code. Just click on there. Okay, once you do that, you're going to be able to get the HTML embed code. So you can embed this onto your website if you want, or if you want to print it out and then just post it on the wall behind you. If you're doing live streaming, you can download the QR code to your JotForm right here. That's the first way. Let me close this out. The second way is all you do is just hover over the JotForm once again. And instead of clicking on more, click on edit form. Okay, once you click on edit form, you're going to be brought to the JotForm form builder. And to get a QR code, click on publish here on the top center. Okay, so as you can see, it's basically the same pop-up that we saw earlier. It's just a different way to get to it. So right here, you just click on the QR code and then same thing. You can go ahead and download your JotForm QR code there. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to get your JotForm QR code, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.